Welcome to the future of fun. This is Rise Tribe Vibe, where we explore AI's wild side. From meme-generating bots to AI art parties and game-changing tools, we make tech playtime. And we are off on a new adventure. Join the tribe.
I've been thinking about this whole AI art thing, and I just can't get behind it. It doesn't feel like real art to me. It's fast, cheap, derivative, and honestly, kind of soulless.
I get why people are skeptical of AI art. But what even defines real art anymore? Art is about expression, communication, emotion. AI doesn't erase that. It just opens a new channel for it.
The channel isn't even human. It's a machine trained on other people's work. That's not inspiration. That's exploitation. These models are scraping artwork without consent and regurgitating versions of it.
People still write the prompts, curate the results, edit, combine, tweak. It's not like AI is painting masterpieces on its own. It's more like a new kind of paintbrush, just a very powerful one.
That paintbrush was trained on people's life's work. Styles artists spent decades perfecting. Now anyone can replicate it in seconds with a few words. That's not innovation. It's disrespect.
Inspiration has always been part of art. Every great artist has studied those who came before, imitated their brushstrokes, borrowed color palettes. That's not theft, it's tradition.
Art students don't sell their studies as original pieces. But AI art gets monetized. People use it for book covers, videos, even commercial campaigns, without crediting the source it was trained on.
Credit and consent are real issues. That's why we need regulation, opt-in training data, royalties, transparency. But the solution isn't banning AI. It's building better systems around it.
I just don't trust that any of this will be regulated fairly. The people driving this tech aren't artists. They're corporations and developers trying to cut costs and maximize output. It's not about meaning or craft. It's about speed.
AI tools aren't just for corporations. They're helping solo creators too. Independent animators, illustrators, musicians. People with no budget can now tell stories visually without a whole studio.
You're empowering one type of creator by undermining another. People who spent years studying anatomy, motion, composition, getting replaced by someone who knows how to write a clever prompt.
AI doesn't erase skill, it amplifies it. If you already understand composition, anatomy, mood, you can go further, faster. It becomes a creative ally.
Studios are laying off concept artists. Publishers are skipping illustrators, all because they can get dozens of AI images for the price of one professional.
It's not AI replacing artists. It's the industry that's doing that. And it's been happening long before AI. Studios exploit labor because that's what capitalism does. AI just makes it more obvious.
And the same system that exploits artists is now feeding AI. Walled gardens, closed models, datasets no one can see. The artist community is left behind.
The issue isn't the tool, it's the system. But AI also gives individuals power to create independently, and sometimes even push back.
This isn't like photography. A camera doesn't need to scrape millions of images to take a picture. AI does. It's fundamentally parasitic.
Yes, the models are trained on human-made work, but so are we. Every artist is trained by exposure. We're all shaped by what we see. AI is just doing that at scale.
You're comparing a living, human process to mechanical scraping. People digest and interpret. AI just copies structure. Worse, people start believing it's the same thing. It's not. It doesn't feel like it.
It's a new medium, maybe even a new genre. You don't have to compare it directly to traditional art. You can appreciate it as something different.
It's easy to defend this when your job isn't on the line. These aren't hypotheticals. These are real careers being erased.
Jobs will change. Some will disappear. But new ones will appear too. Prompt engineers, creative directors, hybrid artists. That's the cycle of creative evolution.
Why are we the ones who always have to adapt? Why do we never ask tech to slow down?
You can't stop progress, but you can shape how it grows. Ethics, boundaries, fair compensation, those are the conversations we should be having.
The current trajectory? It's about volume, not value. Burnout, noise, and a flood of empty images created for clicks, not connection.
AI doesn't have to be soulless. It reflects us. If we build it with thoughtfulness and accountability, it could be an incredible extension of human imagination.
I want to believe this could go somewhere good. But when I see friends lose jobs, contests filled with bots, and AI being praised for mediocrity, it's hard not to feel like the damage is already being done.
Let's not run from it. Let's guide it.
That's a wrap, Tribe. If this AI video leveled up your fun, smash that like button. Got wild ideas or prompts? Comment below. We test reader requests. Subscribe plus hit the bell so you don't miss the chaos. Share with a fun-seeking human.